Hey Torenaz! Today, we've got something shiny and competitive. We're unboxing the Terapagos Ultra Premium Collection. And let me tell you, it's not just about the glitter. This box is stacked with cards that are shaking up the Pokémon TCG meta. Let's crack it open. First off, the packaging design is gorgeous. At the side of the box, there are 3 gorgeous promos. There's a full art Terapagos X, which is good for current meta, and 2 gold cards. Inside, we've got in acrylic frames. You can put up to 3 of your favorite cards and display it. We also get a cool deck box, some exclusive accessories, and a playmat. And of course, we have 80 booster packs from current rotation. There will be 4 Obsidian Flames, 4 Paradox Rifts, ni Temporaru Force, for my favorite set Twilight Masquerade, and for Stellar Crown. Also, there will be ice shattered energy of each type. That only contain energy for current modern rotation, which means no fairy type. Time to rip some packs! Let's start with Paradox Rift. The chase card of this set is the Gruden IR and Roaring Moon XS. Whoa, what a crazy first pack! Let's hope the luck continues. What? I can't believe I get one of my favorite Pokemon from X and Y era! Alright, let's move on to Temporal Force. To be honest, I kinda hate Temporal Force. I have 0 luck in this set. I ripped more than 5 booster boxes of this set. I'll slow roll this set, Kiss, there's only 2 packs. Let's hope I finally get something from Temporal Force. Just 1 hit, please! Ace! Specs! The only meta Ace Specs for this set is Prime Catcher. Next, we're going back to the Obsidian Flame. Can we finally hit that Charizard X? No way my luck on Obsidian Flame is worse than Temporal Force, right? Last pack magic for Obsidian Flame, please. Guess not. Well, it's fine. Let's move on to Stellar Crown. The chase card of this set is 2 of the trio starter from Gen 1. You can only get this Charmander as a promo in Obsidian Flame Elite Trainer Box. Stellar Crown actually treats me better than Obsidian Flame and Temporal Force. Last but not least, my favorite set, Twilight Masquerade. Last pack magic. Can we finally get a big hit? Well, that's all the packs in the Ultra Premium Collection. We started strong with our Paradox Rift. And Stellar Crown is the winner of having the most playable cards in this box. Comment to tell me what you think about the Ultra Premium Collection. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like to support me. Bye!